Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add free shipping bar to your Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, go on the Shopify store. Once you are in here, you have to click on the apps or add the app. Here you have to search for free shipping bar. Now once you are in here, you have to add the free shipping bar. Click on the add app and wait for it to open. Once you are in, you have to click on the install app and it is installed in your Shopify store. So yeah, this is how you can add free shipping bar to your Shopify store.